Hello, Assalamu alaikum, Sir Razi. How are you? Sir Razi, as you are already familiar with the fact that so many clients are complaining about not having or receiving enough profits from their Walmart account, and we are showing profits on sales tracker sheet, but in actual they think or feel that they are not getting profit. So maybe to sort this thing out, we should do something. What I'm going to show you. Okay. For that, first go to Walmart account. Okay, go to payments, and you know that we always get payments with date here, and we can download any file from here. So I have chosen to download 3 files from here, and how you can do it, if you click on it, this first one is selected already. I will go to download and click on payment legacy report. RR or zip file will be downloaded. I will just unzip it and put it on my shoulder. So one RAR file is going to have just one extract or spreadsheet from here. We need to download all three. Now the next step would be to combine all three sheets. Okay. So for example, this is a sheet, and if I need to combine it with this one, all I need to do is just copy it from here and paste it at the bottom of this sheet. Okay, like let me show you how we can do it. Copy and simply paste here, and it will be combined. Now let's talk about structure. Okay, before we even do any calculation, we need to create a structure on our sheet. For that, I need to tell you what columns are important. One is F column, second is shipped quantities, third is column K. I should move it closer to this one, move it away from this one. GTI should be moved further away. Okay, now the next important column is this one, column V. Okay, actually this is the amount which was issued in payout. So let's move it closer to column K. It is pretty simple. You just need to move columns here and there, and these are our important columns: transaction type, shipped quantities, partner ID name, because these are the name of the items, and this is payable to partner. Okay, now before we move ahead and discuss calculations, I'm going to give you an idea. Sale means this is the positive amount received as a whole for this order. Okay, and adjustment is Walmart fulfillment service. Okay, so if you make a sum, 400.67 is our first payment, just as showing up here. Okay, now what we need to do is we need to do a proper calculation using our payouts. Okay, now let me show you the sheet that I was working on. Okay, so this is the sheet. First, we will just do the same freeze first 2 rows because we don't want them to move at the bottom, and then we will arrange items name wise. We have already done it so many times. We don't need to do it here because you guys already know how to do it. All right. Now here, what I want to do is I will first see how many sales we got for Barilla, which is the first item, and then I will multiply number of sales with COGS. Okay, let me do it here. First, I will put a filter on transaction type. I will remove blank, adjustment, and refund it. Okay, now we have sales here, only sales. This is the this is the row number 18, and this is the last row showing Barilla. So if I check number of quantities here, it's going to show 8. Okay, this is clear cut. We are going to do the same for all other items. Now I have added 8 here. We will put just one COGS amount here, which is 4.44, because we need to calculate a collective COGS, which is 35.52. When we multiply number of quantities with COGS, we get this number. Okay, we need to do the same for all the items like I have done here in column R. Once we have done this, we need to put all these amounts in negative. Okay, to simplify our calculations to find out our profit. Like, to make it in minus, the simple formula would be is equal to minus R4 and drag it down, and all amounts will be converted to minus. Okay, this is our first expense. Okay, now what is our third expense? Third expense is prep and handling. Okay, for that, what we can do is I have highlighted all the items or SKUs here which are being managed through warehouse facility. Okay, I will then put a filter on it. You can do it differently, but what I did was I just use a filter for this row. Okay, clear this one. Filter by color, I have used green color here only. Filter by color, use green. Okay, and count quantities 46. Okay, these are 46. So I know that prep cost per unit is 2, so I have multiplied minus 46 with 2, and I got prep cost of all the items. Now in the next step, what we need to do is we just need to see how much profit we have generated. Okay, 973.81. This is the net profit. Okay, you can also use the sum formula if you want. 099, and this is going to show the thing. Okay, now the thing is, this is the net profit that we received for finalized payment, and if I go to sales tracker, it is showing a huge difference. Okay. This is the actual net profit calculated on our spreadsheet. Okay, 1005.36, and then this is the profit for a July. If I sum it up, it's 1397.99. Okay, 1379.99. And the difference is like 406.18. It means client has received 3 payments, but he still has to receive more to reach this profit. Okay, so we can use this method. The only thing that is missing on this method is it does not show payments for the full month. Okay, here you can see, I think it is showing entries till 23, I think 23rd of August. Not entries, I mean orders of 23rd of August. If I sort it out, yes, it is showing just 23rd of July order till 33rd of July. Starting from 23rd of, this is July and this is August. Sorry. So this is how we can do our calculations.